Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's Real Estate Talk with Beth, and we've kicked off 2024. And before you know it, spring break will be here.
I know.
But
So excited.
before we've got Mardi Gras and spring break, but we also have the Showcase of Homes. And for those, this was a new endeavor last year in the fall, and it was actually
this was your actual idea.
Yeah, I brain farted it. And I went to Beth and I said, Beth, everyone has a Showcase of Homes, but we don't. I said, why don't you start a Showcase of Homes and I'll promote it. And she took the ball and ran. I mean, like, it was a touchdown the first year and it wasn't that tons of people showed up.
But the quality.
But the quality of the person showed up,
Yes.
and the response we got from the people that did show up. She gave away a weekend vacation rental.
Yeah, those people are coming down at the end of this month to stay.
Especially, and you had other giveaways
We
too.
had lots of fun giveaways that we did, and we had incredible partners that said, Beth, we got to do this again. So we're really excited.
We haven't got them up yet because
No.
we haven't finalized everything, but we will have it done here in the next
but
2
they,
weeks.
I mean,
probably.
they came to me and they're like, we have to do this again. Count us in. It'd be great if we could, predict perfect weather, but you can't.
Yeah,
So
because
you-
it was raining that day, wasn't it?
Yeah, so those people that came out were serious.
And it's all about, this is just another thing of what 110 does to promote Bolivar for beachfront and
Beach properties,
beach
yeah.
properties.
And, it's something else that I do for my clients.
Right.
It's not just about the partners or about the buyers. It's for those sellers. And it's just another way to get those homes in front of a different market. Because, we put some money back behind it when we did our advertisements. We got the pictures out there, and we did a scrolling weekly show on it. And
the good part was you had signs.
Oh, yeah.
So that when people came by and got their packet, it told you where each house was. But when you got to the subdivision, there were signs.
We had signs everywhere.
So that, I got dizzy going to one of the houses
Sorry.
looking at the different signs. But I wanted to bring it up early because if you're looking at, maybe you want to put your house on the market, and we just finished the market report and saw that homes were on the market for 110 days on the average for the homes that sold. Well, with this being in March, it falls into that category to where your home could be in the
Right.
Showcase of Homes.
And for buyers, if you're thinking about, okay, I want to have that vacation home when I come down this summer instead of renting my own place, I'd rather stay in my own home. This is a
gives you
good way
time.
to come in and do that. And if for buyers who just don't want that second home, they want to use it for a short-term rental, this also gives you time to get it ready for that influx of renters coming in. So we feel like this was a great time to do it. It's right before spring break, so we're not interfering
Right.
with all that. But it's going to be a great weekend. We look forward to it. We're going to have some beautiful properties on.
Are you going to have another big giveaway this time?
Well, yes, we will. I
You know
haven't
what it
figured it
is?
out. No, I don't know what it is yet.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll do another beach house. Yeah.
I think that's pretty neat.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, it was good. And, I'm shortening the time frame. We're only going to have it for 2 hours.
11 to,
Well,
well, up there we've got 11 to 3.
it's not going to be that long.
Okay. I think it needs to be, but I'm not a realtor. I just make predictions.
He does. So we'll probably have it from 11 to 1.
So, but go ahead and mark your calendar now. Save the date. That's a Saturday. You can come down. It's March 2nd. We'll fight over the times and get those finalized here before the event. But it's a great time to come down here because you can see more than just one house, and these are open, and all the houses either have their builder in it, a realtor in it. We've got, last time we had mortgage people down here, we had insurance people, we had
title company
title
people.
company. Everyone was in one location, and so
Well, actually, they were separated in different houses. We had property manager there. We had a cleaner there, and she's already committed. The insurance has committed. Stephanie said, yeah, that weekend's open for me. So I feel like we're going to have a pretty much
good.
the same group. And gosh, have you ever listened to Stephanie talk about what she can do for you for a mortgage?
Talking about creative.
She can get it done.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
creative.
I saw something that she put out the other day. She's never not closed somebody if she's got them pre-qualified.
Great.
So, I mean, we're just going to have some great people there. I look forward to it. Thank you for doing this with me.
That's what we do.
Are you going to come to one of the houses?
Yeah, I went to one of the houses last time. I went to the one
I want you to
Landon
do a
was in.
live feed.
I don't know about that. Time is money.
We have dead air.
Dead air. That cost me. But anyway, March 2nd, 2024. And then we also have the fall showcase of homes, which typically is Veterans Day weekend, if I'm not mistaken.
It's the second
November.
Saturday.
Yeah, in November. And so we'll have some more on that in the fall once we get through the season. It's just hard to do it any other time because a lot of these homes that are on the market are rentals and they're booked. And so it's hard to block off for a weekend for
I would
a show.
hate to ask a seller to do that.
Yeah. And so anyway, March 2nd, 2024, the second biannual, I guess, was that what you'd call it?
We're just going to call it the Showcase of Homes for the Spring.
Showcase of Homes for the Spring.
There you go.
We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We'll see you down here March 2nd for the Bolivar Peninsula Showcase of Homes with 110 Realty Group. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. 110 Realty Group on Bolivar Peninsula, located in Crystal Beach, Texas, believes finding the perfect home or property is a necessity for every client. That it's crucial to provide relevant, up-to-date information on the market, properties, and homes for sale to each and every seller or buyer. Keeping up with the market in today's world is how 110 Realty Group exceeds expectations for their clients. 110 Realty Group in Crystal Beach, Texas are your real estate sales professionals, both in beach home sales and property sales. Finding the perfect custom home on Bolivar Peninsula is a specialty of Beth Terminella. Keeping up with the daily changes and available homes, properties, and the changing market makes 110 Realty Group the choice for several custom builders for spec homes and investors looking for short-term rentals, along with home buyers looking for that perfect beach house for their family. 110 Realty Group for all your real estate needs on Bolivar Peninsula, in Galveston County, and across Texas.